I will show you another difference. Here, this is the side where the spacers are on. These 15mm spacers will be installed to this car. These are 15mm spacers with centering rings and screws which go through them. So it is mounted one-to-one. The wheel is removed, next the spacers. Okay, the fitting is quite exact. It isn't wobbling or moving. So the wheel is back on the left side. I will show you another difference. Here, this is the side where the spacers are on. Here. This is how it looks. And the other side of the car is the old one, the original. So this is how much difference it makes. So I think the 15mm on that side is actually a perfect fit. You see. At least with these rubbers on them. These are Bonanza. So the operation is done. Here are both sides. This is the left side. This is the right side. I will check back the screws and the tightness and everything in a couple of hours driving, and if you want to know anything about these experiences, please let me know. It was around a half an hour work to put both on, and yeah, that's done. Yes, please like and subscribe and let me know if I can help with any information, experiences, whatever. Bye bye.